because I kind of have a bunch of zeal to work on this still. Okay, let's see if we can put these in the order that they appear, I guess. This is a utility function, so I know that's down here at the... Process input, take screenshot. Okay. Counter init I am GUI. Do near minerals. Do jetpack. Update camera position. Okay. So do jetpack. Computer, what is that? Update camera position. What's that one? This one isn't up there. I don't even declare it, I just threw the function in there. That's fine though. Okay, do show terrain GUI. Okay, this one uses terrain gen 1 and 2. No, it doesn't, just uses R2. Okay, so space blocks. So can I put that in, should I put that in space blocks? Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Okay. We did quite a lot today. This is why it's so much fun. So if I put this in there, what else do we need? Restore from warp. So that's fine. But okay, so RT1 and RT2. Okay, so how does this get called, and how do we change that to call from the do show terrain GUI? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, how come it's commented out there? Oh wait, because we're not even using it. We can just delete it. We're not even using it. Do show planet is there. Alright, hold on. We don't even need it. For now. Alright, for now let's leave it out. I mean, it's in the past. It's in the, yeah, let's just take it out then, that's fine, okay. I wasn't expecting that. I guess that makes sense though. Okay, do show space is another one. What else are we doing here? These can all go in the camera one, but hey, over the AR, what's up? I'm just about ready for bed, so I'm just going to do a quick stream, and I've been working on this all day. I've got a couple of other streams that I put out. How you doing? Raticide, what's up? I'm doing good. Cool. Raticide, how you doing? What's this? Nugrun Sip. Oh. So what I've been doing is taking these functions and putting them into the respective classes that they should be in, instead of leaving them just random out in the main function. Just finished work? Oh wow, welcome back, huh? Also, I have news to share with you, the top grades. And oh really? Cool, dude. Just finished work. So what do you do for work, Raticide? See, this will go, okay, hold on. This will be in the manager class too. Do show planet, do show space. Oh, and then it's those other four. Okay, hold on. I mostly do web dev, sometimes mobile dev. Oh, okay, you might have told me that before and I forgot. Sorry. What do you want to hear first, second, and third? What? Some news to share with you. The top grades and pieces. Cool. Well, share away, dude. What happened? What happened? What happened? Web dev. Wow, fun stuff. Okay, so I might as well just jump off the cliff here, since it's like a quick hour before bed. Maybe I'll get off. Maybe I'll stream till 9:30, 10. Let's try to put these into the camera class. Do lerp, do near minerals, do jetpack, and update camera position. The grades on top are related. Oh. You get up early for work? Yeah, I wake up, like right now it's almost 9 p.m. I wake up at 5 in the morning to work at McDonald's. And the reason I got a job at McDonald's is because it's only half a block from my house. So if my car breaks down or something, I can still go to work. And actually, it's really good. I make full-time. Minimum wage was $16.28 an hour, which is really good money. You could go for money without leaving the house. I know. That's what I'm doing right now. It's just that the money is going to come later when I put out the nice game. So the thesis I got, one of my title of my thesis was approved, the IT Capstone Project 1. Oh, cool. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Yeah, on one of the streams earlier today, I tried to apply for a remote position or whatever. I went about 10 minutes into the interview, and it said the interview was going to be an hour long. About 10 minutes in, and I just got bored to tears. And so I just quit going through. I should have just went through the whole thing, but I got bored. Alright, so do lerp. Where exactly do I do the lerp that I do? Update camera position, where else? It's only in there? Okay. So where else do I do lerp? Is it only in update camera position? Yeah. Okay. So that's cool. BK is greater than McDonald's. Then 3 lines of 9 and 3 lines of 8 for my grades. And one subject's 97.45, which made me top 2 of my class. Dude, cool. Cool, dude. Good for you. So if do lerp is only called in the it's only called in the in this function, that's cool. I think these are only called do initial camera, do jetpack, do okay. So let's space blocks get camera Y. Do near minerals. Okay, do jetpack. So update camera position. Where is that? Is that where is that? Excuse me. That's do show planet. That makes sense. Okay. It was process input. Okay. So it's just do show planet. Oh, okay. Is it in here at all? No, so it's just do show planet. That's cool. So hold on just a second. Do show planet. Update camera position. Oh, okay. So I think we can put this in. This is the only one I think that needs set stat user get camera near minerals. Okay, is near mineral. Chat accounts. Okay. Because that'll need chat accounts and space blocks as references there. And then space blocks be a reference. So I'm just trying to think, can we put these all into one thing here? And we can, because do lerp is right here. And then do jetpack is right here in flight. Okay. Oh, the caffeine may be dropping me out here. I don't know. See if I could do this here. So before we go forward, before we go forward anymore, what we're going to do is put this in the camera class, and we're going to modify this. So let's go. Main includes 302. Okay. Main space gems. Where is it at? 302 now? Okay. And then the camera class is up here. We're just going to bump that up to 6. Oops, I want to load 5 though. Oh, fine, forget it. Forget it. Just not load it that way, but load it this other way. Visual Studio's not quick enough, apparently. It's fine. It's fine. Bum, 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 Okay, we're doing a little bit more than that. I should have written more about this stuff, but it's all good. Whoops, wrong. I can tell. I can't believe I'm tired. I took a nap earlier too to try to stay awake later, but Let's see if we can do this at least a little bit. Okay, do lerp, do near minerals, do jetpack, update camera position. Okay, so the first one we want to put in there would be do lerp, do jet. Okay, let's see. Which one of these has the least amount of... That one, space blocks. That one, space blocks. That one, space... They all use space blocks. Do lerp, get camera Y is near mineral, and get camera... Oh, get camera Y is similar. That's cool. Does this one have any other dependencies? Jetpack, vertical speed... See, there's a lot of variables from this that were in the, oh, yeah, Jeff. see where I put my globals? Right here. So a lot of these globals now, we can get rid of them. Warp start time, warp effect variables. Okay, jetpack variables, warp effect variables. Okay, this is for the demo. That's cool. So when I move the camera, when I move the variables into the camera class, the these variables should go with it. So, I know I'm hesitant to do it, but here it is. We're just gonna need the get camera Y, camera position, camera X, do lerp, all the rest there look like local variables except for the camera there. Okay, this space blocks that, and then the chat accounts. Okay, that's gonna, and then this get camera, same thing, and then it's a bunch of variables for the camera, and then the variables there. This keys. Camera position, vertical speed. Okay. I wish I could just think. My brain just wants to go to bed. But I want to stay awake and do this. Alright. First of all, let's just try it. Let's just try with do lerp. Actually, we can't try with just one, can we? Because once I put one in there, all of these have to go in. Update camera position. So do show planet. Right here would just be camera, update camera position. Okay, hold on. Let's just move all four of the functions in there. It's a little bit much to do all at once, but save it there. Camera 6, we're going to put in 4 functions in here. Should be inside the camera class. Yeah, it is now. Whoop. Okay, those 4 also are now. Okay. Excuse me. So this one no longer needs to go do initial camera with delta time. And it doesn't have access to delta time, by the way. So we need to send in delta time to the update camera position right here. So we can send it through to here. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is do show planet, update camera position. We want to send delta time in there. Yeah. Like that. And then this is going to be camera.update camera position. And then when we're in the camera, update camera position, GL float, DT2. And then right here, we'll pass it DT2. There. Okay, that works. And then that's the definition, so we're good. Okay, so then as we go through here, vertical speed equals this. Okay, so then we need all these variables. This one, we're now in the camera class, so we can just go position. Camera.front, so we can go front like that. Okay, this one, target Y equals space blocks get camera Y. Okay, so what we need to do is get a reference to space blocks so that we can call that function, which really... Or we could actually call that function and then just send in target Y from do Jetpack. So, but when we call do Jetpack, it's right down there. So we just need another parameter in there. Do show planet. Okay, hold on. So do Jetpack. Let's go back to do show planet here. Okay, so let's make this function call, and that will return the target Y, and then we'll just pass that in. Okay, so we'll go here, delta time, comma, that. Which looks crazy, so what I'm going to do is just go like this. Okay, and what's this? Too many arguments in function call? That's true, but not yet, because all that is a float, right? So update camera position, we're going to get in the float. And what's that one going to be called? Get camera Y. Let's just call it cam Y. And then here, do Jetpack cam Y, and then up here, do Jetpack or wait, let's call this, sorry, target Y. There. So then where's target Y used in here? Are we good? Is it good? Yeah, right there. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, that was not too bad. That was not too bad. We can do the same thing with this one with do lerp. Target Y equals that. Because it's the same thing. What's the error here? I don't know what the error is right there. Because I just changed that. And then this one, since it's inside the camera class, it's just going to be position.y. Yeah. Maybe, do we just need to save that? Okay, so this one, space blocks, it's getting an M index there. Here, this one, target Y, we're gonna do similar to the same thing. GL float target Y. Hold on, let's change this to Y2. Y2, Y2, okay. This one's just gonna be position.Y. So do lerp also receives a float, which is going to be this, which will be the next parameter that we get here. So then we'll go comma, enter, there. And then update camera position just gets another float. Oh, it's the same one. Wait, what am I doing? Hold up. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing that? Why can't I highlight that anymore? Okay, Visual Studio is freaking out. I'm going to save for just a second. God, I wish it wouldn't do this. And we'll come right back. Hate it when it does that. It freaks out on you. I don't like that. So do lerp is the same target y2. We should just make that a class variable. But, alright, it's fine. Do jetpack, hold on. So do jetpack cam y, and then where's the do lerp cam y? Same variable there. There you go, Jeff. That's how you do it. So that one gets that, and then this one gets target y2. There. Now we don't need to make another function call and all that. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Do lerp is good. Do jetpack is good. Do near minerals. So we need this right here. This is the one I was thinking of when I did this. So then we need the glue int GLUINT MINDEX there, which we'll get right here. And that's what we're going to do here for this one. Right there. And then update camera position. Needs another float. So it'll receive another float. And what was that one? That one was mineral index. Yeah, so let's just mineral index. And then when we call do near minerals, we'll go mineral index. We'll pass that in. So it's getting the M index, and then we don't need this. Okay, chat accounts, set stat user. So that's a function call to the chat accounts. If it's inside the camera class, it's not going to have access to the chat accounts. Oh. So how do we do that? Because it's being called from update camera position, do near minerals is right here. It's after the position's already determined. And it's actually inside this function, which is do show planet. Which is in main. Okay, is there just one spot that it's called there? Or several spots? Was that 3 places? Okay, what's this one? If current frame demo next switch game state equals show space. Okay, so it's right there. Line 170, 376, 381. Okay, hold on. 170, 376, 381. Hold on. 170, 376, 381. And that's for do show planet. So when it calls the do show planet, what we want to do is yeah, this can be taken out. It's the very last thing that happens in the update camera position. It's actually not updating the camera position. What it's doing is the camera position is updated. it is actually checking to see if the player is near minerals, and if so, it's adding that to the inventory and removing it from the world. So it doesn't actually belong in the camera class, really. So we could take it out, which I'm about to do. Let's just comment it out, because we're going to delete it shortly. Take out the function call. So after we do this update camera position, which happens in the do show planet, right? Update camera position. See, space blocks is near mineral camera position. So then we could just do that. So basically what that function does, so do near minerals, check if near minerals is cycle. Okay, so if that M index is less than 41, so that function call that just happened, if that's less than 41, do this. So let's do that outside of this. So let's take that out and put it right here. If, and then we're going to do that, but I can't copy paste because I have this in my buffer. If this right here, okay, is less than 41, right? If M index is less than 41, that's that call. Then we do this. There, okay. So then we can take out that float that I just put in there for update camera position, and we're good. And then we can take out this function. Okay. So we don't have it there anymore. And then we don't need this float. Phew! That was a little tough one. But that's because we were actually doing something that wasn't related to the camera class. I mean, it's related, but only because the camera class updates the position of the player. Alright, so that should work. Yeah. So are all 4 of those now happy? Actually 3, because we only moved this, then we moved do jetpack and do lerp, and then the other one we deleted. So let's see if they compile. See if it compiles. Does it have access to the keys? That's still global, right? And all those variables are global. Okay, but we can move those variables now into the camera class. Okay, cool. So it's still working. Let's wait. Let's go back to the planet and make sure that landing on the planet works. Let's find a planet to land on. This one looks pretty weird, Jeff. Ah, okay. So it does work. The lerping, the jetpack, everything's fine. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah. Okay, cool. This was really cool. Doing this before bed really paid off. Okay. So the other thing we want to do can we actually do take all these jetpack variables and move them into the camera class though? Let's see. Actually, let's just highlight and copy. Okay. Then we'll come through here and comment all these out. And then we'll go into the camera class. And then we'll put them in here. I'm scared. Jetpack variables. See, look at all those variables. Just and save. So now I'm going to save that, comment it out, and then compile and run it. It's crazy. Okay, that seemed crazy, but maybe there's only a couple errors. Vertical speed, undeclared identifier. Where's that at? Oh, in the IM GUI when it's trying to class planets. That's okay though, because we have a reference to the current cam, right? We do. Now you're being sneaky. Because earlier I transferred the reference to the current cam right there. And this is all just IM GUI debugging. It's not really necessary, but I wanted it in there, and eventually we could use that stuff in the game too, of course. But okay, it's happy now, and it works. That's cool. That was a lot easier than I thought. Wait, let's go back and make sure everything still... Make sure everything still works. Here's a little planet. Yep, here we go. Alright, that worked a lot better than I thought. Those 4 functions, that's pretty good. Actually, so assuming that I leave the rest of this for tomorrow, that just leaves, see? Oh, how come it didn't declare these not? Okay, do lerp, do near minerals, do jetpack, that's all gone. How come it didn't freak out? Why didn't it freak out? I want to know. 302. Because it was literally giving me linker errors because I was declaring functions that didn't exist. Now it didn't do that? Okay. That could have possibly caused some issues. I don't know. Visual Studio has been really weird today, and I didn't reboot. I don't think I rebooted today, so let's just make sure everything works again. Have you got a planet? There we go. So now we land on the planet, but we came up instead of going down. Alright, cool. It even takes it out and puts it in my inventory. We don't have the graphic for it, but that's alright. Alright. We'll work on that because we have new graphics and stuff. Okay. Very, very cool. So, as I was about to say, when we work on this tomorrow... So we really have this do show planet, okay. Okay, let's go down through here and look. Do show space is the next one. Then do cleanup, then do class inits. Okay. Init IM GUI, counter, take screenshot. Oh, what's this one? Find show planet, do planet horizontal movement. We don't have those. Okay. So do cleanup and do class inits. I'm gonna just put those right there. Init IM GUI, counter, and take screenshot. So these are utility functions. Okay, and this is game manager, game state management, class material here. Okay, and these can be ported over. I could do this in the next 20 minutes right here, I think. Do show planet, default camera front, fall threshold is falling vertical velocity, vertical camera front. This looks like it could go into the camera class, but I just took it out. This camera update position, space blocks is near, space background, space blocks, space background, space B font, space blocks. Do show space, same thing. They're both kind of, I don't know where those would go. And you know what, they're not very big functions either. Okay. So what is big. What's left? Okay, class inits. That's your manager. Init IAM GUI. Okay. Process input is huge. And that's about it. So when I started, this was like 1,300. Now it's down to 430 lines of code. All right, that is good for the day. That was like three videos. How many videos did I make today? Oh, somebody said, hey, Shadow Tiger. Hi, what's up, dude? Sorry that I missed that. I didn't hear that. So earlier today, streamed a day ago. This was yesterday. So these 3 were for today. Yeah, I don't think I did anything in this one but play Fortnite and fool around. These 3 are the last ones from today. 11 hours ago, that's when I started at 10 in the morning. 9:30, 10, yeah, whenever. Okay, this was 4 hours ago. This is a lot of the work right here. This I was getting warmed up and I played some games. This is the meat, and then this one is the dessert. I did a little extra stuff here. And I should change the names of these, but whatever. People will see it and just, didn't I watch that one? No? Okay, whatever. Alright, so thank you very much, everybody, for tuning in. I'm getting off here. Got to brush my teeth, floss, take a shower, go to bed, get ready for work tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. Have a good one.